Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this scenario. You're standing at the front of a packed auditorium, the spotlight trained on you. Hundreds of expectant faces gaze back at you, waiting for you to speak. For many, this is the stuff of nightmares. The fear of public speaking is one of the most common phobias out there. But what if I told you that this doesn't have to be a terrifying experience? In fact, with the right mindset and preparation, public speaking can be an incredible opportunity to connect with your audience, share your ideas, and leave a lasting impact. Section 1. Confronting the fear factor. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: anxiety. We've all been there: the sweaty palms, the racing heart, the self-doubt creeping in. And that's okay. Feeling nervous before a big speech is completely natural. But what separates the great public speakers from the rest is their ability to channel that nervous energy into something positive. Tip 1. Prepare, prepare, prepare. The more time you spend researching, organizing, and practicing your speech, the more confident you'll feel when you step onto that stage. Create a detailed outline, rehearse your delivery out loud, in front of a mirror or to a friend or family member, and anticipate potential questions from the audience. Tip 2. Visualize success. Positive visualization is a powerful tool. Take a few moments before your speech to close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself delivering a flawless, engaging presentation. See yourself speaking with confidence, connecting with the audience, and leaving them inspired. When you visualize success, your mind starts to believe it's possible. Tip 3. Breathe deeply. When we're anxious, our breathing tends to become shallow and rapid, which can exacerbate feelings of panic. Before you start speaking, take a few slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This simple technique can work wonders for calming your nerves and grounding you in the present moment. Section 2. Connecting with your audience. Public speaking isn't a one-way street. It's a dialogue between you and your audience. The best speakers know how to engage their listeners, make them feel involved, and forge a genuine connection. Think of it as a conversation, not a lecture. Tip 1. Use storytelling. People love a good story, and it's a powerful way to capture their attention and make your message more memorable. Whether you're sharing a personal anecdote or using a hypothetical scenario to illustrate a point, storytelling can help your audience relate to you on a deeper level. Tip 2. Ask rhetorical questions. Posing thoughtful questions throughout your speech encourages your audience to think along with you, rather than just passively listening. This active engagement keeps them invested and makes your message more impactful. Tip 3. Inject humor when appropriate. A well-timed joke or lighthearted anecdote can go a long way in lightening the mood and endearing you to your listeners. Just be sure to keep it tasteful and relevant to your topic. Self-deprecating humor can be particularly effective, as it shows humility and makes you more relatable. Section 3. Body language and delivery. Your words are important, but how you deliver them can make or break your speech. Your body language, tone, and pacing all play a crucial role in how your message is received. Tip 1. Maintain good posture. Stand tall and confident with your shoulders back and your chin up. Avoid slouching or shifting your weight from side to side, as this can make you appear nervous or disinterested. At the same time, be careful not to look too stiff or robotic. A little movement can help you appear more natural and engaging. Tip 2. Use hand gestures sparingly. While hand gestures can be an effective way to emphasize key points, too much movement can be distracting for your audience. Aim for purposeful, controlled gestures that complement your words, rather than random flailing. Tip 3. Vary your tone and pace. A monotone delivery is a surefire way to lose your audience's interest. Modulate your volume, pitch, and pacing to keep things engaging. Speak louder for emphasis, slow down to underscore important points, and pause strategically to allow your words to sink in. Tip 4. Make eye contact. Scan the room and make eye contact with different members of the audience throughout your speech. This creates a sense of connection and helps you gauge their level of engagement and understanding. Public speaking is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice, dedication, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. But the rewards are immense: the ability to share your ideas with confidence, inspire and influence others, and leave a lasting impact. So, embrace the challenge and remember, the stage is yours to command. With the right mindset, preparation, and techniques, you can transform from a nervous wreck into a confident, captivating speaker. The journey may not be easy, but the payoff, The rush of adrenaline, the applause, and the knowledge that you've truly connected with your audience is worth it. You've got this. Now go out there and unleash your confidence one speech at a time. Thank you, and stay tuned. Thank you, stay tuned.